Hi there. So I've been challenged to try and come up with a lot of different cost reduction activities that you can undertake and make a success of your cost reduction within your company. So I'm just trying to brainstorm off the top of my head. So you could look at the components that you buy and do things like reduce tolerances, delete excess material, maybe change the material if possible, change your material specifications. You could try to simplify the manufacturing process. You could try to reduce the complexity of components. Definitely get cost breakdowns from suppliers wherever possible. Look at your metal escalators, check your currency conversions, look at trying to do low-cost country sourcing, and you could reduce your packaging waste, use returnable packaging wherever possible, invest in that and try to get payback as soon as you can on that. You could look at setting up logistical milk runs to reduce your transportation, and you could consider cross-docking. Read your contracts. Read your contracts and actually take cost out. If it says that you should have cost out in your contracts, make sure that you do get that. And ask your shop floor staff what they think of how you can all take cost out, and also talk to your suppliers. Sometimes suppliers never get asked, and I think they could come up with some really great cost reduction ideas too. Okay, so that's a very quick 1.5 minutes cost reduction breakdown. Thanks.